Down in box 687. A key that leads to a key. You want to go inside real quick? Don't tell anybody. Did you see anything? Okay, now we are going to Goose Chase box number 91. Is a really big box. Could be jewelry. Oh. Brute Magnetics. I'll take that.
You put this in this box.
I just came in from the post office. Brute Magnetics. They sent it to me. Chud 327, PO Box 687, Callahan, Florida 32011. Just in case you want to send me something. And I've been dying to do some magnet fishing lately. Found this company online, contacted them, asked them to send me some magnets, and here they are. I'm going to leave you a link. You can get a 10% discount. Chud 327. Thank you. And it comes in this nice heavy-duty box. No, not that box. Get that out of here. This box. And now that we've got this box out of that cardboard box, spinning around, zoom in on that logo. Brute Magnetics. I'm going to leave you a link, get you a 10% discount if you want to try something like this. I've been dreaming about magnet fishing with a good magnet. I've got one from the big box store. It just won't lift stuff up. This one is supposed to pick up 1,200 pounds. Look at that beast. Caution, pinch hazard. I guess so. And the eye bolt. Here's a lock washer underneath. We've got some thread locker. We're going to put some thread locker on there tomorrow out in the garage. Get this good and tight. We've got the rope, the carabiner. Hook that going. We're going to go find some stuff. I am excited. Time to go. My big butt screwdriver in the vise. I've got my thread locker. Here, hold this for me. Pop the lid off. Open it up. And they said 2 to 3 drops. Drop that. It's got a nice stainless steel bolt. Stainless not gonna stick to it too good. Some stainless will. Not that stainless. 2 to 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. We'll get this tight and it's supposed to dry for 24 hours. Then we're going magnet fishing. Now over to the vise. Uh-oh. That's got to be good enough. All right, 24 hours. We're going to hook the rope to it and throw it in. I can't wait. I've got my 1,200 pound magnet hanging from a tree on a chain with a piece of metal stuck to it. I'm 160 pounds. That's nowhere near 1,200 pounds. Right here with Colonel Craftsman, and I just hung the magnet from that ball about an inch from the ground. In the first 100 feet, I found a lock washer and the key to the Motomo. I thought that was lost for good. We have made it down to the creek, me and the two boys. We've got the Super Brute magnet. This is Thomas Creek down Laney Road. Gotta see what we can find. We brought the weak magnet and the strong magnet. I guess you can locate stuff with a weak magnet and pull it up with a strong one. Hopefully we don't lose a magnet today. That's gonna be sick if we do. And the other day when we were here, it must have been high tide. The water was all the way up to where this water line is. This is different. We could walk across it. Here are my gloves. There is the weak big box magnet. And here in this case, for its maiden voyage, maybe I can put the keys in there while we're fishing. There's the key holder. And if you're wondering how long is the rope, keep walking. The boy's walking with the rope. Still got some left. Hold it. That's how long the rope is. And then on the very first throw, Sawzall blade and a bunch of metal parts. Fishing hook. Throw number 2. Throw number 2, bunch of random metal. This time it feels a little bit bigger than before. That might be a go-kart engine mount, motor mount. You may have to help me get it free. Moving over to dock number 2, Barefoot Mechanic says he's on something and he can't lift it. We're gonna see what we can do. All right, we've got the rope tied off and we're going in. Got a magnet. And with the weak magnet, how ironic, he just found a knife. Open it up for him. What name brand is it? Let me hold it. Winchester. It's the first decent find. Good job. It's 1-0 right now. Well, I did get a steel plate.
You can make it out of steel plate.
1-0 to 1. You're the nothing. Took a short break from fishing. There is a gator over here.
Nice bite.
Right there in the center. Few minutes, you've missed a fork, fishing parts, jig head, and a big metal rock. Random other little, oh, and the big find so far today, boy found a chair. That beast is heavy. It's only been down there a few minutes. I got so excited about the chair, I forgot to mention the fishing pole already. Look at that baby. Abu Garcia. Somebody was sad when that went in. I gotta stop every few minutes to give you an update. The boy found a hinge. You never know what you're gonna find. You can expect to find fishing hooks. I just found 2. I found this little lure, whatever that is. But so far he's found all the good stuff. The hinge, the fishing pole, the knife, the chair. I found some hooks. He's over there with the water boots on and shorts. He's got out of the pants and the boots. Doing a little bit of patrolling. And when you get on something, you can hear it click through the water. Maybe it comes up to the rope. Good solid click. But I keep finding stuff like right there or something. But it's not coming up. thought for a second Billy Wrights was fishing, but that's not Billy Wrights. Mark. Anyway, I just pulled up a nice little lure. I should have bought a fishing pole to recycle some of these. And this piece of, what is that? Goes in a drawer? I don't know. Well, we figured out what one of the mystery things was. Call of Duty found it. So after fishing for about an hour, this is what we wound up with. Pretty good finds. The fishing pole, the chair, there's a knife. I found these fishing lures. I think that's gonna be my favorite. Wyatt Henry found a bolt. Ethan with the small magnet, the only thing the small magnet found was this knife. I think that was on his first throw. Everything else was with the Brute 1,200-pound magnet. Another shout out to Brute for the magnet, for the box, for the rope, carabiner. And there's a lot of random little stuff in the bucket. I'm not gonna point to all those. Like these rocks that stick to a magnet. It's really light and it sticks to a magnet. Crazy. Anyway, on to the next spot. And now testing that 1,200-pound rating. Go. Yep, let's leave the magnet here. So the boy was dared to stick that on there. We're having a little bit of issue getting it back off. He's coming with a lug wrench. We're going to unscrew it. I think he's doing it wrong. I think he's doing it wrong.
How should I do it?
Just try to wedge up the corner of it.
Like this?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there we go.
Now you're talking.
Okay.
Yeah, don't put your fingers on it.
Yeah, not smart.
Okay, biggest find yet. There's a pipe. Looks like it's about 20 feet long. I'm not pulling it up here. Gotta get my magnet back.